The item, the, I, the IT item I like the most is my laptop. It's a Lenovo laptop that my parents bought for me as a gift when I passed high school. I have had it for about 2 years now. It's black, rectangular, and the size is just right. Not too big or too small. It's made of plastic and metal, and it feels soft and smooth. I use my laptop almost every day. I'm using it to learn coding, search the internet, study online, and sometimes play games with my friends. It helped me a lot. It helped me a lot with both school and fun. The reason I like my laptop so much is because it's a first gift from my parents after I graduated. It means a lot to me and I always try to take good care of it. Thanks for watching.